To convert fiat to cryptocurrency, start by opening the Crypto.com app and selecting the account option at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on the Fiat Wallet option. Then accept all the terms by checking the box and clicking the Accept All button again. You will be prompted to provide personal information to create your Fiat wallet. So submit the required details and wait for the verification process to be completed. Once verified, you will have access to your newly created Fiat wallet. To deposit funds, click the Deposit Now button. Select your preferred cryptocurrency and choose a deposit method. After depositing money into your Fiat wallet, you can convert it to cryptocurrency by clicking the Buy Crypto button. Selecting the desired cryptocurrency, entering the amount, and ensuring the cryptocurrency wallet is selected as the payment method. Finally, click the Buy button to complete the conversion.